Trapped underneath this pile of wood is a 1963 Jawa motorcycle. Once a shining symbol of power and style, consumed with rust and decay. But over the next few minutes, the restorers from Rescue Story, a renowned restoration outfit on YouTube, will attempt to transform it from a forgotten relic into a roaring masterpiece. Will they succeed? Let's find out. First step was to clear the woods, of course. With the bike now liberated, it was time to assess the damage. And to be honest, it's nothing short of a disaster. And the broken exhaust was just about hanging on for its dear life. Let's see how long it can cling to its last shred of dignity before help arrives. Time to begin the much-needed teardown. The restorer was trying to detach the exhaust pipes, but the stubborn foot pegs weren't having it, so he had no choice but to cut them off. Next, the bike stand came off. And so did the drive chain, gears, side stand, and engine. This ultimately paved the way for more components to be freed. Things got off to an impressive start with a mild wash. Then this component was thrown into the spotlight. Can you guess what it is? Well, it's none other than the seat. Notice how the restorer was gentle while cutting through the leather? That's because he didn't want to cause further damage, and really that would have been disastrous because this seat was already in a bad state. It looked practically irredeemable, but the restorer still got to try to fix it anyway. Up next were the frame, front fork, and fuel tank. Time to pimp the rim and the fuel tank. So far, it's amazing how much effort and work the restorer has put in. But of course, no restoration is complete without a good tint. And really, I cannot wait to see what this beast would look like when it's painted. The result is absolutely stunning. But guess what? The restorer was only just getting started. Watch as they transform the fuel tank with a rich, vibrant wine red coat, reviving its charm and taking us one step closer to completing this masterpiece. But if you think that's impressive, wait till you see the magic he worked on other components. With the engine fully disassembled, the restorer turned his attention to the fender and airbox, giving them a final touch-up before the paint job. The engine came out looking spotless. After nearly an eternity of waiting, it was time to put the pieces together. All right, it's time to check if the engine is back to life. Whoops. That certainly wasn't the sound I was expecting to hear. But can the restorer fine-tune it before the final reveal? We'll find out in a bit. The moment we've been waiting for is almost upon us, but right before we get to it, let's explore the history behind this iconic bike for a second. Born in Czechoslovakia, this motorcycle was launched at a very difficult period for Jawa, one that saw it shut down its factory in Prague. But just 1 year later, the company remarkably turned the corner, thanks to the power and elegance of the 1963 model. Not only did it blow competitors out of the water, it charmed many motorbike enthusiasts across the world. Speaking about that, this beast was already looking impressive, and as the last components were installed, I just couldn't stop thinking about how it would look when it's fully assembled. More importantly though, I was worried sick about the engine because if it didn't work, then this whole project would have been a waste of time. These thoughts continued to rumble through my heart even as the restorer fueled the tank and prepared the bike for its first ride in years. But as he slammed his foot against the Kickstarter, the motorcycle responded with a thundering roar, silencing my fears and signifying its readiness to hit the road. Again, it's all thanks to the incredible skills of the guys at Rescue Story. They've made a titanic effort to restore this iconic piece and film it for our viewing pleasure. And if you ask me, I'd say they absolutely deserve a standing ovation. What was your favorite part of this restoration? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other incredible transformations on our channel.